Hello friends and welcome to Rockpit Brewing Company here in downtown Orlando. It's one of my favorite breweries in all of the area. Glad you're here. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Psychosis. It is a double chocolate stout. I'm really liking these things lately. I love this brewery. Besides it smelling very nice in here, like smoky, they're going for this like West Virginia coal miner feel in this brewery. It's a cool place. But I brought you here for a reason today. The reason I brought you to one of my favorite breweries in the area is to break some maybe harsh news to some of you. This beer, this double chocolate stout from Rockpit, will be my very last beer on this channel, that is. I've noticed that many of you like watching the abandoned videos and the haunted places and other adventures that I take you on more than you like the beer related videos. And I try to keep this a family friendly channel, and I don't see anything wrong with the beer videos that I've posted, but I don't get a lot of hits on those, and I think that's for a specific crowd. I love beer. I'm very passionate about it. I like making beer, and that will be a part of the new channel, which if you follow me on Facebook, my personal page, I posted a question last week, and I asked my friends for suggestions on a TV show name. If you were to see a TV show or a YouTube channel in this case of someone who explored breweries around the country and the world, what would that name be? So I'm thinking of a new name for the channel. I want to read you some of the responses that I got from that. Okay, friends, I'm going to read you some of these responses. The question I posted: if there was a TV show about touring breweries around the world, what would it be called? There's really some really funny ones. Around the World in 80 Brews, that's a good one. Thank you, Vanessa. Brett, he posted a couple things. Brewing about the world, or brewing around the world, that's cool. Hopping about. There's some other comments on the comments too. There's some other people chiming in. Let's see, Brewer Tour, Brews Cruise. Got some thumbs up on the Brews Cruise. That is a good one. Jason Wheeler posted that one. Lewis, Hop in the Tap. That's a good. Hop in the Taps. Okay, Fear No Beer Tour. Where in the Brew World is Drayton? That's funny. Hookers or beer? No, that is not going to fly, Brett. But thank you for the suggestion. Hopping the Globe. Breweries Unknown. That's okay. Close to some other famous show. That's good. There's 65 comments. I'm not going to read you all of them. John Luter left a very humorous one on there. There's some good. I haven't looked at all these yet. This is the first time I've seen a lot of these, so I'm thumbs upping as I go. Some Strange Brew references. Strange Brew is one of the best movies of all time. That is just, it's so good of a movie. Rick Moranis, if you're watching this, way to go. That is one of my favorite movies. Thank you for doing that. Hold My Beer, A Beer Well Traveled. Okay. World's Greatest Drinking. Alan Carter wrote that. That's a good suggestion. My other channel, as many of you know, is World's Greatest Kiting, and Dre's World, and World's Greatest Drinking. World's Greatest Beer. Okay. The Port of Stout, hopping around. Billy, Hipster Worldwide. What is that? Hipster Worldwide. Thank you, Billy. Brews Cruise. As the Buzz. Let's Get Internationally Drunk, Billy Ray. Okay. Friends, thank you for all these suggestions. This is really entertaining to read. They're good suggestions, and Maybe by today I will come up with a new name for this channel, but I've got some really good videos coming out on that channel as soon as it exists. If you've been watching this channel for a while, you know that I was just recently in Pigeon Forge, Gatlinburg area of the Smoky Mountains, and I did a tour of all the breweries of the Smoky Mountains, but I have not posted that on Dre's World, and I will not. I also did a tour of the Knoxville brewing companies, and there were some really good breweries in that city. I popped around to some other places too, but I think if you're into beer, you're going to enjoy what I'm doing on that new channel. I've made a rating system. I talk about the beers a little more in depth. I will be doing that, and as I filmed those last couple of videos, I kept in mind that I would be doing this eventually. So I hope you look forward to it. If you're into beer, please go check it out, and as soon as I know that channel, believe me, I will tell you, you'll be the first to know. I promise. Happy St. Patrick's Day, friends. Today is St. Patrick's Day. I forgot all about that, and they are celebrating. They have an Irish red that's on tap today for the first time, so I'm going to try that next. And here it is. I love this brewery. Friends, thanks for joining me today. I appreciate it, as usual. Tomorrow we're going to get into the project of changing the carpet out in the Vanity. Got that awesome red Victoria's Secret remnant carpet. It should be a pretty straightforward job. I'm looking forward to it, and I hope you are too. Friends, I hope you understand that I won't be doing any more beer videos on this channel, but I do hope that you subscribe to the other channel if you're into beer. Even if you're not, you might learn something and gain an appreciation for it. I'll be doing some home brewing. I just picked up a new grain bill for the first brew on my home system here. That will be on the new channel coming up, and I'll let you know again what the name of that is and how to get to it. Friends, thanks for joining me. I appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video.